Hey guys, I'm Tim with Original Strength, and this week I wanted to share an idea about a movement with you that I think is fantastic. So I was reading a book by Matt Hill called Living Systema, and he was talking about the push-up, and he said, don't think of the push-up like an exercise, think of it like a functional movement that is useful, like getting up off the floor. And I thought that was brilliant because the push-up is getting up off the floor. So here I am, I'm gonna push myself up and get up off the floor. So you could take a push-up and make it into that movement that is really useful for your day-to-day life, especially as you get older. And you could take that movement and not necessarily turn it into an exercise, but spend a lot of time enjoying that movement as a movement that is good for your body as you're getting older, and even if you just want to build strength. So you could just practice a push-up as pushing yourself up away from the floor. And you could knock out, I don't know, several minutes of this, or reps of this if you wanted to, if you did want to exercise with it. But it's just a phenomenal, fantastic movement. And you don't have to do it like that. I mean, you could do it any way you wanted to do it. You could squat down, push yourself up to a squat and stand. You could do that for time, or the other movements for time, but using it as a movement, exploring it as a movement to build functional strength and just ability to live life better. Anyway, that's the tip for this week. Explore the push-up as a functional movement and not an exercise. I'm Tim with Original Strength, and we'll see you next time.
To learn more, consider attending an Original Strength workshop. Visit originalstrength.net.